Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our third problem solving session for calculations. Okay, I just make one suggestion over here. Do attend these sessions before attending this particular session. That is types of numbers, theory of numbers, formula and concepts, divisibility test, previous sessions of calculations and basic sessions of calculations. Friends, I hope you have a pen and paper with you. So you'll be solving the problems with me only. Okay, let's begin the session. Now let's see this problem. It's 1.086 minus 0.3986 minus 0.669. Here there are 4 digits after decimal, so I just put a 0 over here to make it 4 digits and a 0 over here to make it 4 digits. Now let's begin to calculate. It's 0 minus 6 minus 0, so I'm getting minus 6. Okay, so I have to borrow 1, so 10 minus 6, the unit digit must be 4, and I have a negative 1 with me. So unit digit with 4, it's only there in this option, so no need to calculate further. 0.0184 will be the right choice. Similarly, let's do this problem. Here there are 3 digits. I put a 0 over here and I put 2 zeros over here. Okay, now let's begin. It's 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, now it's 2 plus 9, 11, and I write 1 over here and 1 will be carried. Then 6 plus 1, 7, plus 5, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. I write 6 over here and a decimal, and 1 positive 1 is there with me. Okay, now 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. I write 0 over here and a 2 is there with me. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 and 3, 8. Okay, so 8, 0.611, that is only there in this option. Okay, so this is the correct choice. No need to calculate further. Now similarly in this question, 48.95 minus 32.006. Let's do it. It's 0 minus 6. So we have to borrow 1. So 10 minus 6, the unit digit must be 4. So we have only one this option with unit digit as 4, that is 16.944. So this must be the correct choice. No need to calculate further. Now let's see this problem. 792.02 plus 101.32 minus 306.76. Friends, we see the options are quite far from each other. Okay, so we can do this problem even by approximation method. 792 is something around 800. I'm just approximating it to higher side. So it's 800 plus it's around 100, that is 900, minus around 300, that is the answer must be closer to 600. So this must be the correct choice. No need to calculate. Similarly, in this problem, 16.7 plus 12.38 plus what is equal to 10.09. Let's do it. I just write a 0 over here. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So I have to borrow 1. So 10 minus 1, it's 9. Okay, I have a negative 1 with me. Now 7 minus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. So now put a decimal over here. After decimal, 2 nines is there. 2 nines are there. So I am having this as the correct option. That is 18.99. No need to calculate further. Similarly, in this question, it is 3889 plus 12.952 minus dash is 3854.002. Now there is no decimal in this number. So let's begin to calculate from the decimal side. It's 0, 0, 0 suppose. So it's 2 minus 2. Okay. So it's 0. Then it's 5 minus 0, that is 5. Then it is 9 minus 0, that it is 9. Then I put a decimal over here. It's decimal 0.95, that is I'm just having this as in this option only. So no need to calculate further. It is 47.95. Okay friends. Now in this question there are 4 threes. So 3 raised to 4, 81 will definitely be there. Now we have to see where should we put the decimal. Okay, so it's 10, 100, so it's cancelled, so we have to put the decimal before 2 digits, so it is 0.81. Okay friends, similarly in this question, very simple, it's 25 by 5 into 1000, so it's 5000. Okay friends, now let's take this problem. Now friends, in this problem, do not try to make the arrangement of decimal. We just can calculate it approximately. It is 122 by 15. The answer should be something around 7. It cannot be 792 or 7920. It must be this only. No need to calculate. We are just going by approximation. Okay, friends. Since we are clear that the answer, the number or the digits will be 7920 only, so we can be sure that 7.92 will be the correct choice. No worries about none of these. Now let's see this problem. In this problem, we can take 0.863 as common. So what we'll be getting inside the bracket is 0.637 plus 0.363. So it is 0.637 plus 0.363 will be 1 only. And we have taken 0.863 out of bracket. So the entire calculation will remain same, 0.863 into 1. That is this answer only. Okay friends. Now in this question, it is 0.98 square minus 0.98 into 1.52 plus 0.76 square. Friends, we can observe that is 1.52 is actually 0.76 into 2. So the problem is actually the arrangement of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means in this case it is 0.98 minus 0.76 whole square. So it's actually 0.22 whole square. So there will be a decimal arrangement of 484. So there are 484, I put a 0 and 0.0484 will be the correct choice. Okay friends. It's a simple expansion of a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A small observation is there that it is actually 2 into 0.76, that is 2ab. Okay. Now friends, let's see this problem. 5004 divided by 139 minus 6. This is clearly a problem of application of Bodmas. What Bodmas is? In this series of mathematical operations, we have to first perform the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. All the mathematical operations should be performed in this sequence only. Okay. So in this question, we have to perform first of all 5004 by 139, and whatever the result we get, we have to deduct 6 from that to get the correct answer. Now in examination we cannot perform this division, that is 5004 by 139. So I just get an approximate idea what will be the division. Okay, now by which number 9 should be multiplied to get 4? It should be 6 only. Okay, so the unit digit of this quotient must be 6. Okay friends, now we have to find out the tens digit. Now I'm taking the initial numbers of this 139. That means I'm speaking the table of 13 only to get the approximate idea. So 13 fours are 52 and these initial terms are less than 52. That means this number should be the multiplying factor should be less than 4, that is 3. So 5004 divided by 139 must be 36. Since all the options are integers, definitely 5004 be a multiple of 139. No need to worry. So this 36 minus 6 will be getting 30 as the correct choice. If the options are there having decimals, then we have to be sure that whether 5004 is multiple of 139 or not. Then we have to go for actual division. But in this case, no worries, no calculations. Okay friends. Now in this problem, first of all we have to find out 1250 by 50, that is 0 from 0 is cancelled, then 125 by 5, that is 25. So 7500 plus 25 will be getting 7525 as the answer. A very simple application of Bodmas. Now see this problem. 8 divided by 88, that is 11. That means it is 1 by 11. So in all we have to divide 8888088 by 11. Okay, let's do it over here. So 11 is 88. Then further we have 0. Then 11 8 88. Then 0. Then 0. Then 11 8 88. So 808008 will be the correct answer. Okay friends, now let's do this problem. It is 1001 divided by 11 of 13. So according to Bodmas, first of all we have to calculate of. So it's 1001 divided by 11 into 13. Okay, 11 of 13, that is 1001 divided by 11 into 13 is what? 143. So 1001 divided by 143, that means the calculation should be something around 7, as 3 sevens are 21. To get the unit digit as 1, we need to multiply this to 7. Okay, so 7 will be the correct choice. Okay friends, now see this problem. Here it is 0.625, 0.0729 into 28.9. Let cancel all the decimals. Here there are 4 digits after decimals, so I just cancel it from this and this to this and this to this. Now I'm left with pure numbers, that is whole numbers. The answer must be 3825. We just have to see the arrangement of the decimals. Okay, now we see it's 81 into 9, 17 square, and it is 25. Okay, now 25 into 9 into 17 cannot be this, this and this. It must be this only. You no need to multiply. Okay friends, you must be knowing that 289 is 17 square. Now let's see this problem. It is 6 4 times, that is 24 divided by 6 will be getting 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now in the numerator, according to Bodmas, we have to first solve this. So 4 divided by 4 will be 1. Now this is 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12 plus 1 13. So 4 by 13 is the correct choice. Now let's see this problem. Here 1.6 bar is expressed as a fraction. 6 bar means 6 is being repeated infinite number of times. Okay, since there is one digit is being repeated, okay, so to convert into fraction we just divide it by 9. So it is 1 plus 6 by 9, or we can say 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3. Okay friends, it's so simple. If it would have been 1.63 bar, then we would have done 63 by 99. Okay, similarly if it is 573 bar, then it is 573 by 999. Okay, now here 232323, that is 23 is being repeated, so it is 23 0.23 bar. So 2 digits are being repeated, so 2 nines are there, so it's 23 by 99, as simple as that. Here after decimal 3 digits, that is 1 to 5 is being repeated, so it is 125 by 999. Since 3 digits are being repeated, we'll be putting 3 nines, so this is the correct choice. Very simple, and if the concept is memorized, it will be very easy for you to do this sort of problem in examination very quickly. Further, here this bar over 2 digits, that is 47, so it will be 47 by 99. No need to calculate. Now let's see this problem. The value of 0.57 bar. Here bar is only on 7. The number is like this. If you can recall the concept which we discussed in the case of rational number, that if we wish to convert this into fraction, it's 57 minus the number which is not having bar, that is 5, divided by the number of nines according to the number of digits having bar. So here only 7 is having bar, so I just put 1 9 and 1 0 for this. So it's 52 by 90, that is 26 by 45. Even we can solve it algebraically. I just explain it over here, just a moment. Suppose this expression is x, so x is equal to 0.57777, then 10x will be 5.7777 and 100x will be 57.77 and so on. Now if I deduct this 10x from this 100x, I'll be getting 90x, and similarly from this side 57 minus 5 I'll be getting 52. So x is equal to 52 by 90. But the method which I discussed previously was like a smart way to do this problem. So and you can do the problem even algebraically. Okay friends. Now in this case f is 0.84181 and 81 is having bar. If f is written as a fraction in lowest terms, we have to find out the difference between numerator and denominator. Now same as previous problem, it can be written as 84181, that is a complete number, minus number which is having no bar or digits which are having no bar, that is 841. Divide by nines for these two numbers, that is 99 and 000 for 841 000. Now we have to make this calculation. Okay friends, so it will be, it's 1 minus 1 0, then 8 minus 4 4, then 11 minus 8 it's 3, then 84 minus 1, that is 8 3, that is 83340 by 99000. Now we have to simplify this. Okay, so definitely the number is divisible by 2, and I think the number is divisible by 8 plus 4 12 and 3 15 and 3 18. Even the number is divisible by 9 also, so we can divide the number by 18. Okay, now let's divide it by 18. 8334 while divided by 18 will be getting 4. 18 fours are 72, 72 and 9. 18 fives are 90. Then it will be 18 fours are 72. Then 11 will be there, and 11 and 3, that is 113. Then 18 6 are 108. I'll be left with 5, and 18 threes are 54. Similarly over here 18 fives are 90, then further 9, 18 fives are 90, and there is a 0. So we have to find out the difference between 550 and 463. The difference between 550 and 450 is 100 and 13 more than that. So but that means 63 is 13 more than 50. So we have to deduct 13 from 100. So we'll be getting 87 as the final answer. Okay friends, I hope you are clear. Now let's see this problem. It is 4.12 bar. Only 2 is being repeated. It is 4 plus 0.12222. So it is, since we are having bar on one number only, so it's 12 minus 1, the complete number minus the number which is not having bar. So it's 1, 1 9 for this 2 and 1 0 for this one. So it's 11 by 90. So our final answer is 4 plus 11 by 90, that is 411 by 90. Okay friends. Now let's see this problem. It is 2 plus 0.1363636. That means only 6 is being repeated. So it's let me do this. It is 136, that is the complete number, minus the number which is having no bar. So it's 1, divide by 2 9 for 3 6, that is 99, and a 0 for the number which is having no bar. So it's 135 by 990. So let's simplify this fraction. 135 is multiple of 9, 5 and 3 8 and 1 9. So it's 15 and it's 110. Then further we can cancel it by 5. 5 threes are and 5 22. So it's 3 by 22, and we are having 2 also. It is 2 3 by 22. That's a correct choice. And this problem 0.57 bar, only number 7 is having bar, so it's 577, 0.577. Okay, that means it's 57, that is the complete number, minus the number which is not having bar. So it's 5 divided by number of 9s will be equal to the number of digits which are having bar. So it's single 9 is there, and number of zeros will be equal to the number of digits which are not having any bar. So it's single 0 over here. So it's 57 minus 5, that is 52 by 90. So that is 26 by 45. Similarly, in this case, there are 3 digits which are having bar. So it will be 136 divided by triple 9. Since 3 digits are having bar, we'll be dividing by 3 nines. Okay, as simple as that. Just practice with the concept. You'll feel comfortable in your examination. Okay, friends. This problem seems to be simple addition subtraction of decimals. Friends, we can go for 2-3 methods to solve this problem. Either we can go for approximation. Here it is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1, 12. It's around 12 plus, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. It's around 12.8 plus 0.096. So the answer must be 15 minus 12.8, that is 2.2, and from 2.2 we'll be deducting 0.096. So we'll be getting 2.104. It's quite simple. Or else we can go for even digital root method. The digital root of left hand side should be equal to the digital root of right hand side. Here the digital root of this is 7. The digital root of this 7 plus 2, 9, I cancel. 3 plus 5, 8. And digital root of this number, that is 5, 5, 10 and 8, 18 plus 2, 20. That is digital root of this is 20. So 8 plus 7, 15 plus 2, 17. That means digital root of this side is 8. Okay. Now I want 7. So I would get 15 over here, which I am getting over here. That is 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7. So this is the correct choice. I just repeat once again, the digital root of left hand side must be equal to digital root of right hand side. And digital root is sum of digits. You keep on adding the digits till you get a single digit. Okay, friends? Now, in this question, which of the following is the largest fraction? Friends, we have been provided by some 5 fractions over here, and we have to find out that which of them will be the largest. Okay. Now, generally what happens whenever we see this sort of fraction, we start dividing the numerator by denominator and get the sum, and then we get some decimal numbers, and then we arrange them in ascending or descending order. Okay, but we can apply one logic over here, that is, you just observe in each case the difference between numerator and denominator is same, that is 6. So whenever the difference between numerator and denominator is same, the number or the fraction which is having higher numerator will be higher. Okay, so in all these cases 91 by 97 will be highest. Okay, as simple as that. Now in this problem, a number when divided by 323 leaves a remainder of 100. If the same number is divided by 17, what would be the remainder? Now, what dividend is? Is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now here the dividend is divisor is 323. Let's assume the quotient as x and remainder is it's 100. Now we have got the number. Now we have to divide this number by 17 and then get the remainder. Okay, so let's divide it by 17. Now 323, we just have to see whether it is multiple of 17 or not. 17 square is 289, that 11 less than 300, then plus 23, then 34. That means it's 17 into 19. So we are not getting any remainder from here. Now let's see what is the remainder if 100 is divided by 17. Now 17 5s are 85. So we'll be getting 15 as the remainder. Okay, so your final answer is 15. Now, which of the following can be a perfect square? Now friends, we have discussed the concept in our square root and cube root session that no perfect square number end with 7, 8, 2 and 3. That means 2, 3, 7, 8 cannot be the unit digit of a perfect square number. So we are left with just one option, and since there is none of these, we can be sure that this will be the correct choice. Okay. Now in this question, which of the following fractions is greater than 3 by 4 and less than 5 by 6? Further, in all the options and even the questions, fractions, the difference between numerator and denominator is same, that is 1. So we can very well eliminate the option. 3 by 4 will be, which of the fraction is greater than 3 by 4? That means 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 will definitely be smaller than 3 by 4. So 4 by 3 will be greater than 3 by 4 definitely, and definitely 4 by 5 will be less than 5 by 6. So 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. In all the three cases, the difference between their numerator and denominator is 1. So the fraction which is having the higher numerator will be higher. Okay. Now in this question, if x is a positive number, then which of the following fractions has the greatest value? Here it is x by x, definitely it will be 1. It will be less than 1, that is x upon x plus 1. Then x plus 2 upon x plus 3 will also be less than 1 if x is positive. Okay, so we are left with this option. In this option, definitely x plus 1 upon x will be definitely greater than 1. So it's as simple as that. So this will be the correct choice. Now in this question, which of the following has fractions in ascending order? We have been given 6 fractions and we have to find out in which option the fractions are in ascending order. Friends, we have just discussed a concept that whenever there is difference between numerator and denominator is same, the fraction which is having higher numerator will be higher. Okay, here in this case I just would like to discuss one more concept. Suppose I am having two fractions, as suppose 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. I've just taken this two fractions from the question itself. We can find out which fraction is bigger even by cross multiplication. Okay, so it's 3 into 7 here and 5 into 4 here. So it's 21. This is 21 and this is 20. That means 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. Okay friends, so similarly you can make crosses over here in among the options themselves, and you can eliminate the wrong option and you can get the correct option. Okay, let's do it. Let's check first option. Definitely 5 by 6 is less than 6 by 7. Here we are correct. Now let's make comparison. It is 4 into 5 20, 7 into 3 21, so it's correct. Then it is 2 into 7 14 and 5 into 4 20. Definitely 4 by 7 is greater than 2 by 5. Then it's 5 and it's 6. Okay, so the first option itself is correct. No need to worry. Now in this question, if a, b, c are integers, a square plus c square is equal to 45 and b square plus c square is equal to 40, then the values of a, b and c. Friends, we have been asked about a, b, c, all of them. So no need to worry, no calculation. You just go by elimination of options. Just put the value of a, b, c from options. Let's see. It's a square plus c square, that is 4 plus 9. It's not 45, so it's cancelled. Now from this, it's a square plus c square, that is 9 plus 36, that is 45. The first step is clear. Now b square plus c square, that is 4 plus 36, that is also 40. That means 326 is the correct choice. No paperwork is required at all. Now, which of the following has fractions in ascending order? Further, we have been given 5 fractions over here, and we have to make a comparison among them. Friends, in this case, we'll be combining the two methods, that is the comparison of numerator and denominator as well as the cross multiplication method. Okay, let's begin with the first option. It's 9 into 9, 81, and it is 88, so it's true. Then it is 77 and 81, further it is correct. Then it is 9 3s are 27 and 5 7s are 35, so further it is correct. Then it is 5 2s are 10 and 3 3s are 9. That means 3 by 5 is smaller than 2 by 3. Okay, so 7 by 9, 9 by 11 and 8 by 9, these three are correct. but 3 by 5 is smaller than 2 by 3. So this option is correct. Okay, it's very simple. Now in this question, which part contains the fractions in ascending order? So we have been given three fractions, 11 by 14, 16 by 19 and 19 by 21. Now friends, in this case 11 by 14, the difference between numerator and denominator is 3, and in 16 by 19 still it is 3. So between these two, 16 by 19 will be greater. Now 16 by 19 and 19 by 21. In this case the difference is 3, in this case the difference is 2, still the numerator is bigger. So definitely 19 by 21 will be greater than 16 by 19. So first option itself is correct. Okay friends. Now in this question, which of the following are in descending order of their value? Now let's see from the options. It's 5 by 9 and it's 7 by 11. So difference between numerator and denominator in both of these cases is 4. So definitely 7 by 11 will be greater. Now 7 by 11 is greater in by 5 by 9 in these two options. Okay. Now let's check which of the following is correct. Now it's 121. After cross multiplication, it is 121 and it is 119. Okay. Now that means the first order is correct. Then 15 into 7, 105, and 11 into 8, 88. So still it is clear. So this 7 by 11 is greater than 8 by 15. Now it is 72 and it is 75. That means 5 by 9 is greater than 8 by 15. So this option must be correct. Okay friends, I hope you are clear about the concept. In your exam time, you can make combination of 2-3 methods and you can eliminate the option, and then the problem will be very easy for you to solve. Now in this question, 547.527 divided by 0.0082 is x. Then we have to find out the value of 547527 by 82. The answer will be in terms of x only. We just have to see the arrangement of decimals. Suppose I remove the decimal from here. There are 4 digits after decimal, and here there are 3 digits after decimal. Suppose I remove the decimal from both the numbers, then I'll be getting 10 over here. Now this 10 will be divided this side if I remove the decimal. Okay, so it's 547527 divided by 82 will be x by 10, which is asked. Okay, so it's very simple. Now this question, 168 into 32 is 5376, and 5.376 divided by 16.8 is equal to. Now this expression, if I take 32, if I take 168 over here, I have to find out the value. Okay, now definitely the value, the digits of the answer will be 3 and 2 only. We just have to see the arrangement of decimal. Now it is 5 by 16. Suppose I take up the approximate value. So 5 by 16 will be something around 1 by 3, that is 0.33. So the decimal will be just immediately before 3, that is this option must be correct. We cannot get the answer as 3.2 or 32 since the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay friends, I hope you are clear with the concept. Now let's see this problem. Even in this problem, there is an arrangement of decimal only, otherwise all the digits are same. So let's make this division sign convert into multiplication sign. Then numerator will be converted to denominator. So 965.54 minus 89.63 will get cancelled from this expression. And this expression will be actually in denominator, and this is 10 times this number. Okay, so it will be getting 1 by 10 from these cancellation. Similarly, this 9.654 plus 8.963 will go to numerator, and that answer and this answer is same. And this number, that is 96.54 plus 89.63 will be 10 times of this. So further we'll be getting 1 by 10 since it is in denominator. So we are getting 1 upon 100, which is 10 raised to minus 2. As simple as that. Now you don't have to go for any sort of paperwork, you can just do it mentally. Now this problem, Friends, this problem is based on Bodmas. I hope you are aware with the term. That is, any mathematical operations are to be done in this sequence only. That is bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so whenever there is a series of operations, we have to be strict. We have to strictly follow Bodmas rule. Now let's begin. Here it is line bracket. So first of all, we'll be clearing the bracket. So 4.3 minus 2 will be getting 2.3. Then we'll be solving the first bracket, that is 5.4 minus 2.3. What we'll be getting is 4 minus 3, 1, and 5 minus 2, 3. So we'll be getting 3 minus 3.1. Okay. Then from 6.5 we have to deduct this term to clear the second bracket. So it's 5 minus 1, 4, and 6 minus 1, 3. So we got 3.4. Then from 7.6 we have to deduct this. So 6 minus 4, 2, and 7 minus 3, 4. So we got 4.2. Now we have to calculate 7 minus 4.2. That will be 2.8. Okay, friends. Now in this question we have to add 3 mixed fractions. Friends, never ever try to convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper fractions. You can break up this mixed fraction into a fraction and an integer. Okay, so 1 3/4 can be written as 1 plus 3/4. So I'm just adding the integral part, then I'll see what to do about the fractional part. So it's 1 plus 5 6 and 3 9. So what I'm getting is 9 point something. Okay, now it's 3/4 plus 1/3 plus 2/5. Now it is 3/4 is 0.75 and it is 0.33. Definitely I'll be getting one more number. That means my final answer is more than 10. So these two options are eliminated. Now if I start taking LCM, I'll be getting LCM as 5 into 4 20 into 3 60. So this cannot be the right choice. Finally this will be the right choice. Okay friends, so no need to calculate. Similarly, in this question, we are just going to add the integral part, that is 20 plus 30, 50 minus 15, that is 35. Okay, so the next calculation is 1/2 plus 1/3 minus 1/6. So it is, suppose I take 6 as LCM, it will be 5/6 minus 1/6. So it's 4/6. So initially I was having 35, then 4/6, that is 2/3. So the answer is 35 2/3. Okay, friends. Now in this problem, if this square bracket p means the greatest integer less than or equal to p, then we have to find out the value of this expression. Let's begin. Minus 1/4, that is minus 0.25. So what is the integer that is greater than this? That is, I'm sorry, less than this, it will be minus 1. So square bracket minus 1/4 will be minus 1. Similarly, it's 4.25. So the greatest integer less than this will be 4 only. Then it will be, since bracket of 3 is integer only, so we'll just take 3 only. So it's 4 plus 3, 7 minus 1, 6. Okay. Now, this looks like a very big problem. Let's start taking LCM. That is 1 plus 1/2 can be written as 3/2. Then it is 1 plus 1/3 can be written as 4/3. Then into it is 4 plus 1, 5/4. And this is 120 plus 1, that is 121/120. Friends, if we observe, the numbers are getting cancelled, and these numbers are getting cancelled in this way. Okay, so here definitely will be getting a term with 120, so it will get cancelled from this. So finally we are left with 121/2, that is 60.5. It looks like a big problem, a tedious problem, but actually it is very simple. Okay, now in this problem, just don't start taking LCM. Here we are having 999 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 999 into 6. That is something around 5994, since we are deducting 6 from 999, that is 1000 into 6, that is 6000 minus 6. Okay, now let's add 1 by 7 and 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Since the denominator is same, we can add up the numerator as it is. It is 3 and 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15 plus 6 21. That means we are getting 21 by 7, that is 3 only. So it's 5994 plus 3, that is 5997. As simple as that. Now this is further an application of Bodmas. So we have to first of all solve the brackets, then we have to make the remaining calculations. Friends, there is other way also out for this particular problem. We can go for even digital root concept. For that, we need to have some idea about the approximate answer. Okay, so here we see 2.002 plus 7.9 is being multiplied by this expression. So definitely we'll be getting some positive value out of this expression. So this cannot be the right choice. Okay, now we see here it is minus 6.3 into something 3.6 minus 1.5 will be getting something around 2. So 6.3 into 2, that will be something around 12 point maybe something. So we'll be getting a positive expression from here. That means the answer should be much more than 2345. That means it must be around 40.843 on 42.845. So even this cannot be the right choice. Now we have to see from both of these options. So now let's apply digital root concept. The sum of digits over here, it will be 4, that is 2 plus 2 irrespective of the decimal. Then now this will be we don't have to add 9 because it doesn't create any difference, so it's 7. Then it is 1 minus, it is 9, it is 9 minus 6, that is 3, plus it is 5 plus 1 6 and 6 12, that means 3. Okay, so let's calculate the final answer. Final digital root we can say is 4 plus 7. 1 minus 9 3s are 27, that is 9 plus 3. Okay, so it's 3 plus 4 3 plus 1 4 minus 9, it is minus 5, and 7 into minus 5 minus 35, so it's 4 minus 35, that is 3 plus 5 8, so it's 4 minus 8. So digital root is minus 4, but the digital root cannot be negative, so it will be 9 minus 4. To make the digital root positive, we have to settle it with 9, so it is 9 minus 4 5. Now we have to choose between these two options, that which of them is giving the sum as 5. So it's 4 plus 8 12 plus 4 16 17 18 19. So we are getting the digital root as 1 in this case, and in this case 4 plus 2 6 and 8 14 plus 4 18 plus 5 23. So we are getting the digital root as 5. So this is the correct choice. Else you can go by even approximation, or you can just manually solve it. It won't take much time of yours. Okay friends, now in this question it is 2.39 square minus 1.61 square by 2.39 minus 1.61. It's a simple application of a square minus b square over a minus b. So a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b, and if it is divided by a minus b, will be getting a plus b only. That means 2.39 plus 1.61, that is 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. Okay friends, very simple. Now further, this question is also an application of a square minus b square. So it's a minus b, a plus b. So what a minus b? It's 2.644 minus 2.356, that is 644 minus 356, that will be 288. So we are left with 2.644 plus 2.356. So 2 and 2 4 plus 644 plus 356, it will produce 1. So it's 4 only. Okay friends. I'm sorry, it will be 2 plus 2 4 plus 0.644 plus 0.356, that is plus 1 also, so it will be 5. Okay friends, now let's see this problem. The value of this expression, here it is 0.051 cube and here it is 0.041 cube. So this is an application of a cube plus b cube. Now what a cube plus b cube is? It's a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now we see in this question it is a square minus ab plus b square, and here it is a cube plus b cube. So if a cube plus b cube is divided by a square minus ab plus b square, then we are left with a plus b only. So in this question we are left with 0.051 plus 0.041, that is 2 plus 5 and plus 4 9 0, so it's 0.092. Okay friends, you must be knowing this formula. Now let's see this problem. It's we have to find out the value of this question mark. So let's solve integral part. It's 5 minus 3, that is 2 minus 1 1. Okay, and plus it's 5 by 6 minus 8 by 9. Okay, it's 45 minus 48, that is minus 3 by 9 6 are 54. So it's 1 by 18. So 1 minus 1 by 18, that is 17 by 18. Okay friends. Now the smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum of these terms and 2 1 by 4 to make a result a whole number. Okay, that means we have to add up all these mixed fractions. So let's start adding the integral part. It's 1 plus 2 3 plus 5 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Okay, then this 3 by 4 and this 1 by 4, further it will make 1. So we are left with an half plus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 3. So let's take LCM. It's 12. 6 plus 7 plus 4, that is 6 and 7 13 plus 4 17 by 12. Okay, so to make okay, 17 by 12 is if we break the integral and fractional part, it will be 5 by 12 plus 1. Okay, so we got one more 1 over here. Now we are left with only 5 by 12. Okay, so 5 by 12 should be subtracted, or 7 by 12 should be added to make this entire calculation as a whole number. Okay, so but we have been asked what to be subtracted, so we need to subtract 5 by 12. Okay friends, now let's see this problem. A boy read 3/8 of a book on one day and 4/5 of the remainder on the other day. If there are 30 pages unread, then how many pages did the book contain? Okay, if the boy is reading 3 by 8 of the book on first day, that means he's left with 2, that is 5 by 8. Okay, then the next day he is reading 4/5 of this 5 by 8, and then he is left with 1 by 5th. This is actually 30. So suppose the total pages are x, then this is 30. So x must be 240. Okay friends, now let's see this problem. From a number of apples, a man sells half the number of existing apples plus 1 to the first customer, then sells 1/3 of the remaining apples plus 1 to the second customer, and 1/5 of the remaining apples plus 1 to the third customer. He then finds that he has 3 apples left. How many apples did he have originally? Friends, let's begin to do this problem by options only. First of all, to the first customer, this person is selling half of the apples. So these two options, that is 15 and 25, are eliminated, since in both of these cases half cannot be done, else we'll be getting fraction of apples. So now we are left with 18 and 20. So now let's check by 18. Suppose he is giving half of 18, that is 9 plus 1 to the first customer. Then to the first customer, that means he is giving 10 to the first customer. Then he is left with 8 apples. Now he wishes to give 1/3 of this 8 plus 1 to the second customer, but further 1/3 of 8 will be a fraction, so it cannot be right choice. Then we are left with 20 only, and since there is none of these, no need to cross verify. 20 will be the correct choice. Okay friends, now let's see this question. Here it is. We have to find out the value of x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube by 9 times x minus y minus z, z minus x. This question is a simple application of this algebraic expansion. Here a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. If a plus b plus c is 0, that means if this term is 0, this entire part will be 0. In that case, a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3abc. So here suppose x minus y, that is, it is a and it is b and it is c. So it's a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now a plus b plus c will be x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. That means a plus b plus c will be 0. That means a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3abc. That is 3 times x minus y minus z and z minus x. So x minus y minus z, z minus x will get cancelled from this. So we are left with 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. I hope I should not write the entire expression. You are clear about the explanation. Okay friends? And even in your examination, you should try to do this. Okay? No need to go for any sort of paperwork. Otherwise, there will be a time wastage. Okay? Now, okay friends. I hope you might have enjoyed the session. You might have learned a lot about simplification, Bodmas, and other calculation related problems. We'll be just taking more problems in our coming sessions. So practice well and all the best. Bye bye.